Good morning everyone. My name is Mohit Kumar and I am a student of BSc IT second year, and today I am here to present my PPT on discrete mathematics. So first of all I would like to thank Amit Shukla sir for giving me this opportunity. So today my basically topic on additional gate. So as we know there are three type of gates, basic gates, universal gate, additional gate. So but today we basically discuss on the additional gate. So a additional gate is also divided into types, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So let's discuss on XOR gate. XOR gate is basically designed with the help of all basic gates like AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The logic symbol of XOR gate is this, and the logic expression of XOR gate is A complement B plus AB complement. The conclusion of XOR gate is if the odd number of 1 is in input, then the output will be 1. If the even number of 1, then the output will be 0. In the second type of XNOR gate. So XNOR gate is basically a logic gate having 2 or more than 2 input but only 1 output. It is also opposite of XOR gate. As you see, the logic symbol of XNOR gate is this, and the logic expression of XOR gate is A dot B plus A complement dot B complement. As you see here, the truth table, it is also opposite the XOR gate. So if the even number of 1 is, then the output will be 1. If the odd number of 0, if the odd number of 1, then the output will be 0. So as you see in this truth table, here the even number of 0 input, so the output will be 1, and if the odd number of 1, then the output will be 0. So the conclusion of XNOR gate is it is the even number of, if the even number of 1, then the output will be 1, and if the odd number of 1, then the output will be 0. So thank you everyone.